How to remove payment card on Indigo's app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. If you are on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let's move into Google Chrome. In the source bar, you have to search for indigoscard.com. It will be landing you on the official page of Indigo. Once you are in here, first of all you need to log into your specific account. In order to do that, tap on My Account at the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your login credential as in your username and the password and tap on Login. Once you have logged into your account, you need to head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then move into Payment Method. Inside Payment Method, you will see all the list of the card that you have added in Indigo. Simply click on the card that you want to remove. Once you click on it, all the card detail information will be visible. But you have to scroll down and the option of remove will be visible to you. Click on it. Once again click on remove. After that, your payment card will be removed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Indigo app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.